Welcome to the world of woodworking, where creativity meets sustainability. As we embark on this journey together, you'll discover the incredible potential of transforming scrap wood and pallet wood into stunning pieces of art and functional decor. This venture not only allows you to express your artistic vision, but also addresses a growing demand for eco-friendly products. With an increasing number of consumers seeking unique, handmade items that reflect their values, there's never been a better time to dive into this rewarding craft. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a curious beginner, the possibilities are endless. In this video, we'll explore the various aspects of turning scrap and pallet wood into a profitable venture. From sourcing materials and mastering essential woodworking techniques, to designing unique products and effectively marketing your creations. Each step is crucial to your success. By embracing the beauty of repurposed materials, you can not only generate income, but also contribute positively to the environment. Join us as we delve into the art of woodworking, empowering you to create beautiful, sustainable pieces that resonate with today's conscious consumers. Your journey into this fulfilling world awaits. If you're enjoying this journey into the world of woodworking, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content and hands-on tutorials. Your support means the world to us, and by hitting the like button, you help us reach more people who are passionate about sustainability and creativity. Share this video with friends and fellow woodworking enthusiasts to spark conversations and inspire others to embrace the beauty of transforming scrap wood and pallet wood. Make sure to stick around until the end for valuable tips and insights that will elevate your crafting skills and set you on the path to turning your passion into profit. Your adventure in woodworking is just beginning, and we're thrilled to have you with us every step of the way. Scrap wood and pallet wood. In recent years, the demand for sustainable and eco-friendly products has surged, creating a unique opportunity for those skilled in woodworking. Scrap wood and pallet wood are often seen as waste materials, but they can be transformed into beautiful pieces that serve practical purposes while appealing to eco-conscious consumers. This venture not only allows artisans to express their creativity, but also addresses the growing concern for environmental sustainability. By leveraging these materials, you can tap into a market that values both aesthetics and sustainability, providing a compelling reason for consumers to choose your products over mass-produced alternatives. Understanding the market demand. Today's consumers are increasingly interested in products that are unique and environmentally friendly. The rise of DIY culture and the popularity of handmade goods have opened avenues for artisans to create items that resonate with buyers. Understanding your target audience is crucial. Researching demographics, preferences, and purchasing habits can help you tailor your products to meet their needs. Additionally, as more people look for ways to reduce their carbon footprint, offering products made from repurposed materials positions you as a responsible creator in the marketplace, enhancing your appeal. Sourcing materials. The first step in your woodworking journey is sourcing quality scrap wood and pallet wood. Many businesses, including construction sites and furniture stores, discard these materials, which means they can often be obtained for free or at a minimal cost. Establishing relationships with suppliers can ensure a steady flow of materials for your projects. Furthermore, learning how to assess the quality of wood, checking for rot, damage, and structural integrity will allow you to select the best pieces for your creations, ensuring longevity and satisfaction in your final products. Woodworking techniques. Once you have acquired your materials, mastering woodworking techniques becomes essential. Basic skills such as cutting, sanding, and assembling are foundational, but advancing to more complex techniques like joinery, finishing, and surface treatments will significantly enhance your work's quality. Online tutorials, local workshops, and woodworking classes can provide valuable knowledge. The more proficient you become, the more intricate and marketable your creations will be, allowing you to cater to a wider audience and demand higher prices for your work. Designing unique products. Design is a key element in attracting buyers. Rather than focusing on specific products, emphasize creating unique and creative designs that showcase the beauty of the wood. Consider how different styles, rustic, modern, or minimalist, can appeal to various consumer tastes. Experimenting with color, texture, and form can lead to innovative designs that capture attention. Developing a signature style can also help establish your brand identity, making it easier for customers to recognize and remember your work. Pricing your work. Setting the right price for your creations is critical to your business's success. You need to account for material costs, time spent on production, and overhead expenses. Researching the market to understand the pricing of similar handmade items can provide insights into what customers are willing to pay. Consider implementing a pricing strategy that reflects both the quality of your work and the value it offers to consumers. Remember, a well-priced item conveys the craftsmanship and effort that went into its creation, fostering customer trust and loyalty. Building an online presence. In today's digital age, establishing an online presence is vital for reaching potential customers. Social media platforms, online marketplaces, and personal websites are essential avenues to showcase your work. High-quality images of your projects, along with engaging content that shares your process and story, can attract and retain followers. Regularly updating your online profiles and interacting with your audience can build a community around your brand, encouraging customers to support your work and share it with others. Marketing strategies. Effective marketing strategies will enhance your visibility in the market. Collaborating with influencers in the DIY or home decor niche can introduce your creations to a broader audience, leveraging their followers to expand your reach. Participating in local craft fairs and markets allows you to interact directly with potential buyers, providing an opportunity to showcase your work and build relationships. Additionally, word-of-mouth referrals from satisfied customers can be one of the most powerful marketing tools. Encouraging happy customers to share their experiences can lead to new sales and increased brand awareness. Understanding your competition. As with any business venture, understanding your competition is essential. Researching other artisans who work with scrap and pallet wood allows you to identify trends, pricing strategies, and unique selling points. Analyzing their strengths and weaknesses can inform your own business decisions and help you carve out your niche in the market. Consider what sets you apart, whether it's your design aesthetic, craftsmanship, or commitment to sustainability, and emphasize these qualities in your marketing efforts. Environmental impact. One of the most appealing aspects of working with scrap and pallet wood is the positive environmental impact. By repurposing materials that would otherwise contribute to landfill waste, you promote sustainability and contribute to a circular economy. This eco-friendly approach can be a strong selling point, appealing to consumers who prioritize environmental responsibility in their purchasing decisions. Highlighting your commitment to sustainability in your branding and marketing can attract like-minded customers and foster deeper connections with your audience. Job opportunities. This venture can also create job opportunities as your business grows. If demand for your products increases, you may find it necessary to hire additional help. Whether it's skilled woodworkers, marketing professionals, or administrative staff, expanding your team can enhance productivity and allow you to scale your business effectively. Additionally, offering apprenticeships or internships can provide valuable experience to aspiring woodworkers while helping you manage your workload. The importance of quality. Quality should always be your top priority. Ensuring that your products are well-crafted will lead to repeat customers and positive reviews, which are crucial for long-term success. Invest time in perfecting your skills and take pride in your workmanship. High-quality products will not only elevate your brand, but also contribute to your reputation in the marketplace. Consider implementing a quality control process to ensure that every item meets your standards before it reaches customers. Customer feedback. Engaging with customers and seeking their feedback can provide invaluable insights into your work. Understanding what they like or dislike about your products can guide future designs and improvements. Creating a channel for customer communication, such as surveys or direct messages, fosters loyalty and ensures that your offerings align with consumer expectations. Responding to feedback demonstrates that you value your customers' opinions and are committed to delivering a satisfying experience. Expanding your product range. As you establish your business, consider expanding your product range. While you may start with a few core items, introducing new designs or variations can keep your offerings fresh and appealing. This diversification can attract different customer segments and increase overall sales potential. Keeping an eye on market trends and customer preferences will help you identify opportunities for new products that resonate with your audience. Networking with other artisans. Building relationships with other artisans can provide support and inspiration throughout your journey. Joining local woodworking groups or online communities facilitates knowledge sharing and collaboration. Networking can lead to joint marketing efforts, shared resources, and even collaborative projects that enhance your visibility and reach. Engaging with fellow creators can also foster a sense of community, providing encouragement and motivation as you navigate the challenges of entrepreneurship. Transforming scrap wood and pallet wood into a profitable business is not only feasible, but also fulfilling. By honing your woodworking skills, understanding market demands, and effectively marketing your creations, you can carve out a niche in the thriving handmade goods market. With dedication and creativity, you can turn waste materials into a lucrative venture that benefits both you and the environment, creating a sustainable business that resonates with consumers and contributes positively to the world. Celebrating your achievements can also foster a positive mindset, reinforcing your commitment to your craft and encouraging you to set and pursue new goals. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found it inspiring and informative as you explore the world of woodworking. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing to our channel for more exciting projects and tips. Your likes and shares are incredibly helpful in spreading the word and encouraging others to embrace sustainable crafting. We appreciate your support and can't wait to bring you more creative ideas and techniques. Stay tuned for future videos, and let's continue this woodworking journey together.